What's up, y'all? It's Monet. I will be giving y'all more of hair content in 2026. So around Christmas, the break, I did a rod set, which I think I'm on day 5. I don't think it's bad, but I feel like it needs to be refreshed. Because we do have some little like straight pieces, which I'm not really fond about. I'll show you how I refresh, and I'm gonna keep it until Sunday and take it out. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do and show y'all. So I would say, in my opinion, the fluff adds character, which I don't mind. The frizz, it's just gotten to be a little too much. This side is like frizzier than the other. I don't really know if you can tell, but I haven't done a perm rod set in forever, and so as you can see, I need to get better. I'm gonna go ahead and try it out, and if not, we can always wash it out for the next day. So I'm using my girl Lemon Hair by Ashley Stimulating Hair Growth Oil infused with rosemary. This was a lemon scented one she did during her summer one. She tends to do like different scents depending on the season, so if you're interested, go in on her Instagram page. But I'm gonna just go in with this. What I'm gonna do is too, since I don't want to add any more frizz, I'm gonna put some oil on my fingertips and massage. Then I'm gonna just take some foam on the ends I really like, and like just wrap like this one for say. I'm not gonna run now, just gonna stand here. So you know what? Don't do what I did. I'm gonna just go ahead and get a perm rod. This one has been bothering me this whole week. The kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind. I think I'm gonna leave it alone. Just, see how I kind of bounce back. Quick bounce back. Again, I don't think it looks bad. With a little fluff and a little love could go a long way. Let's see this. We're gonna leave this one in a little bit. And I forgot the most important thing: my anti-humidity spray for my hair. I'm gonna try this, well, just a little bit. Just a little bit. I'm just gonna put it on my hands.
verse starts as my snipers hit they